Why does it say Team Tutu? We're sorry about that. I thought we're fans of Tutu Boy. Well, we're not. Anyways, take two. Cut. Boop. Why are you screaming like that? Well, that wasn't going to be a good idea. Take three. Cut! Guys, you're not supposed to be evil. You have to be in a moral way. Okay, this is second to last take. I think it's way too saturated. Okay guys, this is the final take, and if you mess it up one more time, we are done, and this jingle will be cancelled. Final take, take 5. Wow, you got the jingle all right. The next jingle is Team Pink. Thank you, bye.